Welcome back to Instabulls, everyone. So an amazing breakout that we had in the Instabulls room at the end of the day with CLVR. I'm going to go over exactly what gave us confirmation on this continuation today and what exact levels I would be looking to see if we can continue on past. And then I'm going to go over the two leaders, SNDL and TLRY, that we had from yesterday. Again, the cannabis sector has major news that the House is going to be voting on fully legalizing cannabis, and then we do need the Senate, and then we need the President to sign off so that way it could become law. Now, jumping into the 5-minute with you guys here on CLVR, an amazing breakout that we had in the Instabulls room. Mentioned this one early day that CLVR was the volume leader in the cannabis sector. And as you guys can see, we did consolidate. We held our 20-day moving average above our 50 throughout this whole time. We even dropped below our 20-day moving average and we bounced off our 50. We got back over our 20. Mentioned when we broke into new highs in the Instabulls room, and also I did mention that we were looking for TLRY to break over 841, so that way we could get momentum in the cannabis sector. And sure enough, with CLVR being the volume leader, sure enough did have this continuation, as you guys can see here on the MACD. And I wanted to show you guys this because this is a very clean breakout. As you guys can see, we had our continuation on buy pressure, but we also had our EMA lines crossing up and continuing on up, not only with an increase in buy pressure, but also having the EMA lines crossing up in front of our buy pressure, showing us that we are getting that extra momentum to the upside and had a major run to the upside. So as far as a continuation, I definitely would be careful. We did have quite the run. We broke up to about $4.20 going to extended hours, but we do need to break over that $5 psychological resistance to have a continuation and to have another major move up. Again, I am very picky. If you guys can't tell in the Instabulls room, I do like the major moves rather than the smaller moves and playing around with the moves that we don't want to be sitting in the middle of. In my opinion, I like the major moves. I like continuations on major levels and major volume, so that way we can get those consistent breakouts. Now, jumping into TLRY with you guys, as you guys can see, again, we did look to see if we can break over 750. We did mention yesterday. As you guys can see on the daily chart, we did continue on past 750. We did have the body of our candle break above it, and sure enough, we did have this continuation. A very nice move to the upside. As you guys can see, we have a large green candle coming in. Now, we did get news yesterday, but we were looking to see if we can break over 750, and sure enough, having this nice continuation to 850. And then we had a pullback midday, looking to see if we can reclaim 750, and sure enough we did. We reclaimed 750. We had our 20 still over our 50, just like on CLVR, and sure enough had a continuation here. Looking for that continuation as well. Holding our 20 over our 50 on the 5-minute chart would be very key if I was still swinging this. Now, if I wasn't already holding from yesterday and I was looking to see if I can jump into TLRY, we could have a possible cool down. We could have a possible continuation here. Again, very much predicated if this does pass the House and then get sent to the Senate, which in my opinion could give us that strong momentum like we had for the last couple days. So again, being careful here, we could get a rejection to the upside. As you guys can see here on the daily chart, we are testing a very key level. So again, we are looking for either a break over 10, in my opinion, to get a stronger move, or we are swinging into a possible continuation that we had a lot of consolidation and a continuation on down from after having a pullback, which is a very strong resistance that we need to break past here at 942 and then break over $10, which is exactly where we did bounce off of multiple times before we did continue on down. So breaking over 10 would be the stronger move up if I was looking to jump into this late. But as far as a swing and what I'm doing here, I'm looking to see if we can just hold 750. Again, I did buy yesterday when we did get that news, and we were looking to see if we can break over 7. So 750 is a very safe play here. Now, I played some intraday plays on TLRY, but not as much as I did on CLVR, of course, with the major volume spike and that obvious confirmation that we had on the MACD and just that amazing move that we had at the end of the day. Now, jumping into SNDL with you guys here again, we do have our Fibonacci lines. We did mention that we would be testing 84 cents, looking for a continuation. Sure enough, did continue on past 84 cents. And then we did get rejected just under the body of our candle that we had previously on our break. So looking to see if we can continue on past $1 would be the stronger move. We do have a previous high here at 96 cents. So breaking over 96 and then breaking over $1 would give us that stronger move. And in my opinion, if we can break over $1, depending on what news we have at that point in time, we could be testing 150 really quick. So again, we do have a possible gap up to 150 if we could break over $1. So again, that will be predicated on what kind of news we do get. If we do pass the Senate, for example, then we could see a major move up here on SNDL, but being very careful here on SNDL as well as TLRY, because we want to make sure we do get a follow through, and we need to break this very key resistance that's coming up, which means that we could get a cool down and a possible consolidation move leading into a possible vote with the House, or we do break over $1 and we break over 10 on TLRY and we do have that continuation. So that would be the safer move. Again, if I was entering late, again, we are still in SNDL, and I do like how we are having the 20 moving average to cross back over our 50 here, showing us that we still could continue and possibly have this continuation. But again, entering late, I would be looking for that break over 1 intraday, or if I was playing this long, of course, if you believe in it, then you believe in it. But as far as confirmation, I want to see if we can at least pass the house. If I was playing this late, definitely making sure we either break $1 or we do pass the house would be that stronger momentum that we're looking for here. Now, again, with that said, if you are a day trader or you are looking for intraday perspective breakouts throughout the day, I do this for everybody that's in the room. I really do care about everybody that's in the room. I truly do. We have over 500 members for only $15 a month. You guys will never miss a breakout alert today again. If you guys want to know a few breakouts that we had today, we had a major breakout with PIK. A few people messaged me saying, thank you very much for that breakout. That was a really good breakout. We hear this every single day, and I just wanted to say, obviously, I really do care about you guys. If you guys can't tell in the Instables room, I want to make sure you guys become the best you guys can and make sure you guys stay green. So jump into instables.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert today again. And again, all of you Instables that have been coming over and supporting the channel, I appreciate every one of you guys every single day. Much love to every one of you guys. We will stay strong, stay consistent, making sure we do watch our levels and making sure we do watch our volume every single day, no matter how bad the market does get, staying patient, especially in this market, staying patient. But however, a very nice bounce back in the market. We will see if we can continue. I will be going over the market on Sunday Night Countdown, and tomorrow I'll probably go over AMC again. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help to refine it, and it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.